Hey, what's up, guys? So here's a quick update. For the last, I don't even know, 2 weeks, my life's been hell trying to get these stupid plates out of this flywheel. I looked at what was better, a segmented or a normal flywheel, and supposedly these are better because they don't warp. They're less likely to warp, theoretically, or something. I think I read something like that. So anyway, it comes with this Loctite on it, and you got to put the Loctite in the oven and get the oven up to 500 degrees. And you gotta let it sit in there for about 10 minutes or so, and then you take these little hex keys and you try to get these stupid things out of here, man. And I got I didn't think I was gonna get any, but I got 13 out of 24, I think. And so I got that, but I rounded off 4, and then I tried heating it up again, 500 degrees, and getting the rest of them, and they just weren't coming. So you can see which ones I ended up having to grind. I ground, let's see, does this, I forget how you make that thing come back on. Okay, so obviously I ground them out, man. My dad was take a Dremel and cut them, and then try to use a, damn it, what the hell's them pokey things called that you, damn it, I can't even think of it. Man, anyway, oh, what the fuck? I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna figure out what the hell these things are called. God damn it, what is that thing called, man? Shit, I can't think of it all of a sudden. I cannot think of that damn word. A punch? Not a punch. Shit, what the hell is that thing? Anyway, you gotta take one of them things. And I didn't do that. I just went straight for the welding. And I went in and I ground down all around each countersunk head. Got it pretty level. And then I stuck a little bitty nut on each one, and I welded it in. And a lot of them I had to do twice because it was just really hard to get it to stick. Oh, that one came out. You gotta even put the thing in the oven to heat the plates up. Some of the plates won't come out. They're in there so tight. So I'm gonna have to heat this thing up to get the plates out. But it's out. God damn it, it's out. So now I can take this thing and get with my crank and get the whole thing balanced. And I'm gonna put the new plates in and get them flattened and everything, and then we'll be good to go, man. I can start putting this thing back together. All right, and there is the final beautiful product. I got all my screws in with the Specialty Z kit. Came with the Loctite. You can't see it, but the Loctite 262 or whatever it's called, and a bunch of screws, and it came with the hex keys that you need to get these things out, even though it still was a pain in the butt. But it's in, and I'm done with that. So I'm fixing to take this thing up to Denver with the crankshaft and get everything balanced, and then we'll get back and start the real fun.